Hi, to clone apps on your CMF phone one, just go in your phone settings and here find the Apps tab. After that, if you scroll down a bit, you would see this option to clone apps. So tap it and now you can see this tab, Suggested Apps. In my case, it's just one, YouTube. And you can tap this arrow to see other apps which you can clone as well. So let's pick one app from Other and one from Suggested. So from other apps, I'm gonna pick YouTube Music. And to clone this app, I would need to tap on the switcher and now the copy of this app has been installed. And let's do the same for YouTube. So you can see that copy for YouTube is installed as well. Let's check this. I'm gonna enable my app drawer. And now you can see those two cloned apps. So I decided that they are cloned because of this green bubble icon in the app. So if you can see this bubble icon, that means that this is the copy of the original app. So this is original YouTube, this is cloned. This is original YouTube Music and that one is cloned. But the best part about cloned apps is you can use different type of data in your apps. For example, in main Facebook account, you can use one type of data, and in cloned Facebook, you can use another account and another type of data, which sometimes can be really useful. So if you want to uninstall a copy of app, you just need to go back in settings and tap on the switcher and then choose to uninstall. Or you can do it right from your homepage or app drawer. Just hold copy and here tap this minus. And now let's delete it because I just removed it from my homepage. So to delete the copy, I would need to hold it and tap recycle bin icon and then choose to uninstall. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.